Welcome to Zisodel TV. Kindly subscribe, share, and like for latest updates and news. Subscribe
Professor
to this channel
Mahmood Yakubu
and press like when you
hereby
subscribe
certify
to get notifications each
that
time I post. Okay?
I am the returning
Remember, guys,
officer for the 2023 presidential election held on the 25th of February 2023. The election was contested. The candidates received the following votes. Imumolen Irene Christopher of A Party, 61,014. Al-Mustafa Hamza of the AA Party, 14,542. Shaure Omoyele Stephen of the AAC, 14,608 votes. Sani Yabagi Yusuf of the ADP, 43,924. Kachuku Dumebi of the ADC, 81,919. Tinubu Bola Ahmed of the APC, 8,794,726. Umiadi Peter Nana Chukudi of Abga, 61,966. Oje Princess Chichi of the APM, 25,961. Nadi Charles Osita of APP, 12,839. Adenuga Sunday Oluwafemi of the Boot Party BP, 16,156. Obi Peter Gregory of the LP, 6,101,533. Musa Mohammed Rabiu Kwankwaso of the NNPP, 1,496,687. Osakwe Felix Johnson of the NRM, 24,869. Abubakar Atiku of the PDP, 6,984,520. Abiola Latifu Kolaole of the PRP, 72,144. Adebayo Adeole Ebenezer of the Social Democratic Party, 80,267. Ado Ibrahim Abdul Malik of the YPP, 60,600. Iwanyao Daniel Daberechuku of the ZLP, 77,665. That Tinubu Bola Ahmed of the APC, having satisfied the requirements of the law, is hereby declared the winner and is returned elected.